बॉम्बे टू गोवा ले लीजिए आप। बॉम्बे टू गोवा में कितने कैरेक्टर्स थे, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स। उन कैरेक्टरों में महमूद साहब अपने आप को एक कैरेक्टर बना के रखा था। खुद की फिल्म थी, खुद ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने एक कैरेक्टर, कंडक्टर का रोल किया उन्होंने, उसमें एक कंडक्टर का रोल किया और ड्राइवर उनके भाई थे। और उन दिनों राजेश खन्ना साहब सुपरस्टार थे, तो इनका नाम था राजेश और खन्ना। आपको याद होगा, वो टोपी पे कंडक्टर था राजेश, महमूद साहब का खन्ना था और वो राजेश। राजेश तू किधर है? अरे खन्ना इधर आ, राजेश खन्ना, राजेश खन्ना, ये सब उस फिल्म में आप देखते थे। एक बार बस में पेट्रोल की कमी हो जाती है, तो पेट्रोल लेने के लिए वो निकलते हैं, वो गांव में जाते हैं, तो गांव वालों के साथ पंगा हो जाता है, गांव वाले उसको पकड़ लेते हैं, उनको महमूद साहब को पकड़ के मार के उनको बांध देते पेड़ पे। और उनके भाई जो खन्ना है वो ढूंढ निकले हुए राजेश, अरे खन्ना तू किधर है? खन्ना 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 ढूंढ रहे हैं। अब ये ऊपर है पेड़ के ऊपर, अबे मैं आऊं, अबे मैं आऊं, अरे राजेश खन्ना तू किधर है? वो हरे पे कंटाल के बोलते हैं, अरे राजेश
खन्ना,
राजेश
खन्ना,
खन्ना तू कहाँ है? राजेश, राजेश, ये खन्ना,
नहीं
राजेश, ये है अनवर अली साहब, महमूद भाई के छोटे भाई। इनके बारे में बहुत से लोग अच्छी तरह नहीं जानते होंगे। अमिताभ बच्चन जी के खास दोस्त, अमिताभ बच्चन जी को महमूद साहब से इंट्रोड्यूस कराने वाले अनवर साहब, और बॉम्बे टू गोवा में हीरो बनाने वाले हमारे अनवर अली साहब महमूद साहब से मिलाए, महमूद साहब के साथ रहते थे, उनके घर में एक साथ रहते थे। ये हमारे अनवर अली भाई, जोरदार तालियां अनवर साहब की। राजेश
खन्ना,
Johnny Bhai, I'm going to take the mic from you for a minute to talk on behalf of Anwar. So,
please.
Today, of course, on behalf of my husband Anwar and Mahmood Bhai's entire family, I want to just share that our hearts are full of gratitude today. Firstly, Johnny Bhai, thanks to you, because we know what a special place you had in Mahmood Bhai's heart. We knew you were very special to him. I also want to thank Junior Mahmood Bhai, because for a person to take on a name such as Junior Mahmood and to live under the shadow of someone like Mahmood and still hold his own fort, I think that's incredible for him.
I'm blessed. Yes.
Today, of course, it goes without saying that we want to thank the organizers. We want to thank Shabina ji, Sheikh Saab for putting this lovely program together. And I can see the wondrous crowd and the lovely event.
How true it is.
Thank you for that.
How true it is.
We cannot miss thanking the singers, the musicians, the technicians, the person outside who helped us with the wheelchair. So thank you for that as well, for everybody. And of course, how can we miss the audience? Because Mahmood Bhai strived on just interacting with people. I'm sure you'll agree to that, Johnny Bhai, that Mahmood Bhai loved interacting. And imagine, that wasn't even the social media age. And yet, and it wasn't just interaction through the silver screen. It was actually one-to-one. People who came to his home were welcomed. Of course, they were proud to have a family of about 150 that they fed every day. And then there was the film fraternity. That was the family they also loved to host all the time. Then, of course, Mahmood Bhai's, today we call it the EF, is it? The extended friends, etc. But he had a whole host of people. And of course, in Anwar's memoirs, Anwar has mentioned that Mahmood Bhai actually gave a tip to one of the aspiring stars at that time that if anybody ever calls you from any corner of the space or environment, always look behind and wish that person, never ever ignore. Now, I'm sure you know, and there are no guesses and no prizes for who that star would be today, जिनके घर के बाहर तो भीड़ ही नहीं, बहुत कुछ लगता है. So, there's so much gratitude in our hearts today, and I'm not going to take too much time, Johnny Bhai, but my gratitude would be totally incomplete if I did not mention, especially the person because of whom we are here today. Now, this person is a very interesting person, friends, because he says that his whole life has been guided by Bollywood. He says that Bollywood is his university. He's not from Bollywood, but I can assure you he's an encyclopedia on Bollywood himself. There have been books written on him in various languages, and if you met him for just 5 minutes, I think he would be your role model. So how can I ignore that he's amongst us today? Can I please call upon Govind Bhai Kakaria, our very own dear, dear, dear friend who's made it possible for us to be here. If there are steps, can we please have you on stage? Govind Bhai, it's incomplete without you. Please. So, of course, I'm not going to take more of your time because you'd love to hear about Mahmood Bhai. But yes, the audience, and here we are, Govind Bhai Kakaria. आपकी थोड़ी सी आवाज़ सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी होगा, गोविंद भाई.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बॉलीवुड मूवी में जो भी कहानियाँ हैं वो मैंने देखी, समझी, उसमें से मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा. जो पॉजिटिव जो भी रोल है वो कैचअप किया और इम्प्लीमेंट करता गया. तो बॉलीवुड ने मुझे काफ़ी पढ़ाया है. मेरे लिए बॉलीवुड यूनिवर्सिटी है. बस मैं इतना ही कहता हूँ. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
भाभी, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू.
Yes. थैंक यू अनवर भाई. हाँ भाई, मैं अपने काम पे लगता हूँ भाई. जी, वाकई साहब, महमूद साहब के लिए जितना कहा जाए वो कम है. Yes, Anwar bhai. Yes, great.